So there's something called the AIDA model, which is primarily how you sell anything on the internet. In fact, this is how marketing works across board. There are many models, there's Stack, there are tons of other things and everything, but these are the things you should know when you're trying to sell something. So whatever you're trying to sell, this is actually how it works. So there's first an awareness state for every client. Remember, you just did that avatar right now. There's first the awareness state where they don't know you before, but now you've made them see what exactly they should know. The next is there's the interest phase where they show interest. So this is where they literally, for real, let's say right now, let me just contextualize it so you know exactly what to do. So when you run an ad, someone sees your ad and they like it, they share it. That's some action, but it's still awareness because they just like it, they scroll past. You can't do much about that. But when someone taps your link in a sense that they they tap it and they fill a form or they send you a message, that's interest. So that's actually what it is. So interest is when you run an ad and someone taps your button and they fill your form or they book a call with you or exactly or when someone calls you directly over the phone, that's interest. That means they saw what you're selling and they value what you're selling. So that's what it is. Then desire is when they show up for inspection because it takes a lot for you to show up physically or you send somebody to do it for you, whatever it is. But when someone shows up or sends a representative to be at a property, they are really desirous of it. That's the word. They really want to know how this would end. So at that point, it's easier to convert them because they've taken their time to think everything through, and they are just at the verge of closing, right? So that's actually what it is. Then action is when they pay. Don't attribute action to when someone comes for inspection. That's not action. Action is until the money comes in. So when someone pays initial deposits, full payment, whatever the way they do this, whatever the way the splitting method is, once they pay that commitment fee, that's action. That's what you should really measure. So when someone has not paid you, no be action. Don't put it up there. So until someone pays you, that's action for real, for real. So that's what it is. So yeah. So desire I mentioned earlier is when someone shows for inspection. Yeah, that's it. Interest is when someone books your schedules a call with you, sends you a DM, fills your form, whatever they do, but it took them more work to connect with you. That's interest. Awareness is just normal likes. They just see it, they scroll past, they like it, they love it, they react to it, they retweet or they share. That's to say awareness is okay, right? But this is actually how you see it.
Robot now to secure your spot in the sales domination blueprint. Remember, in the time you spent watching this video, the top